Alright man, what's poppin' Q Nation? It's your boy Key Reacts, man, from the O if you ain't know. Now when they whiz in here today, I got some more Oh My Girl. This is Oh My Girl Windy Day music video. Now I seen a couple of y'all wanted me to react to this, and I got y'all guys. You know I ain't gonna let y'all down. Y'all miracles out there, y'all know I ain't gonna do that. So we got Windy Day. This came out in 2016. I'm really loving this group. I love their discography. Their music is really good, and I can't wait to check this out so I can add some more to my collection. So I'm just about to get right into this video, but before I do, make sure y'all leave a like on this video if y'all want some more Oh My Girl content or any other group that you stand and you want me to do reactions to them. Put them in that comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I upload a video. I'm trying to hit 4,000 subs and I'm almost there, so continue to support me and I will continue to bring y'all the videos that y'all request. Don't forget to add or follow me on all my social media. Links will be in the description below, along with that Patreon link if y'all want early and full reactions to videos like this, or your favorite TV shows, movies. I do it all. So if that is something that you are interested in being a part of, check out the Patreon link in my description. You can join that $5 tier to let you get my full YouTube video reactions earlier than YouTube, including my live performances and stuff that get blocked. Or you can join that $10 tier to let you get my full YouTube, movie, and TV show reactions. Also, you can directly message me anything you want me to react to, and I will get those videos out for you guys exclusively. Now, Oh My Girl Windy Day, we got the lyrics. I'm seeing flowers everywhere, so you know this gonna be a magical experience. So let's go ahead and check this music video out right now. I'm already liking it. Hey, hey, hey. All right. Got kites. Adding the beauty. Hyejung. Vice Record Sunky. Oh, the vocals. Yua. Oh my God. Benny? All the vocals. Whoa! I did not expect that at all. That came out of nowhere. That kind of threw me for a loop. I need to turn the volume down and everything. Holy shit. Let me start that all the way over. It started all soft and stuff, and I'm like, okay, cool. I see where it's going. And then, I'm like, whoa! All right, okay. All right, okay. Now I know what I'm expecting. Cause I can't even talk. That came out of nowhere. All right. All right. A wind that resembles you rises. Okay. Visual. Whew. See, right here it's like everything just floating. And then this is why this, okay. All right. Gio. I shake from your breath blowing towards me. Whoa. Oh my God, hold up. What do I feel about this song? I don't know. I'm confused at the moment. I'm confused of what's going on right now, because in the beginning of the song, it's like ding 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 ding, and then I'm like, okay, I see, it's flowing, and then I hear this part and it sounds different. I'm like, I don't know about this one. I don't know, guys. Let me know down below if y'all like this one, because I'm gonna be completely honest in my reactions. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything, all that good stuff. Maybe, as I play it more, it's gonna catch on, but as of right now, I don't really know what to feel about it. But let me take that back just a little bit. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna give it a chance. I like to give everything chances. I just didn't expect it. I think that's why it's throwing me off so much. I thought it was gonna be like a little soft, you know, song throughout. All right, what we got now? And then it come down. I'm confused. The visuals. She look like she always smiles. Like, that's her default face. Ah, Jenny. Yeah, so because this was back then, of course, so she would be up. Benny. I seen you, Mimi. Okay. Okay, I think it's starting to do something. You all right. What is y'all looking for? Okay, I'm it's going somewhere for me. Got a bed in the field. Okay, I like this part. Oh, well, before this happens or whatever this is, okay, now I'm starting to see a little bit of something. Maybe it's just one of those songs, and it happens, right? Like your favorite idols, your favorite groups have songs that it's like, I don't know, but by that like 7th or whatever, how many times y'all gotta listen to it, you're like, oh, this is a bop. I'm feeling this now. I think this is one of those. Y'all hear me now. Most of Oh My Girl's music, probably like 99% of it. On the first listen, I'm like, okay, this is fucking fire. But this one, you know, I don't know, it was a little shaky at the start, but as I'm starting to play a little bit more, I'm like, okay, I'm getting it now. I don't know what's about to happen here, but let me bring that back a little bit. All right, Windy Day. And what the hell was they looking for? This remind me of y'all know in Harry Potter the Triwizard Tournament. Oh my god. Okay, let me stop. I'm a Potterhead, so what? I really like this part. I really love their vocals though. A part of my heat is away from this deep sleep. Was that heat or heart? Was that supposed to be? I don't really know there. All right, Yua. The visuals. Also, let me know down below y'all bias. You know I must know these things. I hear that. Like this part give me like a pharaoh kind of like a snake charming. All right. Okay, Windy Day. All right, guys, that was Oh My Girl Windy Day music video. Now, okay, I see where it's going so far. It's definitely not one of my favorite from them, but I think with a couple more listens, it'll probably stick. I'm gonna add it to my playlist anyways, just to see, you know, how it fares. But if it doesn't, then, you know, it is what it is. You know, their discography is still pretty good. I really like a lot of their music, so you can't like everything, right? So it is what it is. But I hope y'all still enjoy my reaction just the same. You know, I hope that's still a thing, you know? I hope that's still a thing. Comment down below whatever else you want me to react to in the comment section. You know I got y'all. I got some more Oh My Girl on the way. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. I am carrying this fucking pandemic. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I upload a video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well to not miss none of my videos. And hit that Patreon link as well to get these videos earlier than usual. But without further ado, it's your boy Key Reacts, man. From the Oh If You Ain't. No, 918 we is in here. And now we ain't, bruh.